What I wish I knew at the start of my YouTube journey, the magic behind viral videos. The first step, source your stories. Get creative with your own ideas, keep an eye on the latest news, or even tap into tales from friends and family. And hey, don't forget to give credit where it's due. It's not just good manners, it builds trust. Next up, find a digital buddy to help bring your story to life. Websites like 11lab, veed.io, invideo.ai, and hotshot.co are fantastic tools. Just sign up, drop in your script, and watch the magic happen. And remember, while free versions might leave a watermark, it's a fair trade for awesome content, right? Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll dive even deeper into the world of viral video creation. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating. This is KayyBaba signing off.